What's going on in your backyard?
There's a fly.
You gotta.
I'm going down there.
All right, I'm watching. Don't get swept away.
I won't.
Wow, that really is flooded back there. Look at that. Michael, I bet you could build a boat and float down that.
It's going down to my face.
Yeah, that is definitely a river out. Look at that. You can see over there it's running, it's really getting blocked up and flowing quick. Well, there you have it. June 20th, 2015 flood.